Hello everyone, welcome to Concept. My name is Dharmendra. Okay, so today I am going to talk about whether we should go with the trade without thinking or without overthinking. All right, so this is the common misconception, okay, amongst the people. All right, so I will help you out how we can come over with the overthinking. Okay, and along with the trade, I will show you how we can be profitable and how we can manage the risks and how we can avoid overthinking. All right, so here let's just say I want to go with the trades. Okay, go with the trades. So I have given the topic overthinking. All right, so see, first of all, whenever I am going with the trade, so first thing come in my mind is about stock selection, is about strategies. All right, so I'll go with the strategies. Okay, strategies. Okay, now we all know there are numerous strategy. Okay, there are numerous strategies. All right, and strategies on the base of indicators, strategies on the base of chart pattern, strategies on the base of candlestick pattern, and on the basis of data. All right, so let's just say strategies on the base of, first I go with the data, then chart patterns. Okay, third, candlesticks, indicators. Okay, so on the basis of indicators. So here what I want to know already, okay, I want to know that whether I am going to utilize all of these things in one chart at every point of time. Okay, first I want to think about that. Okay, so let's just say I am going with the chart pattern. Okay, then also I am going with the candlestick pattern, then also I am going with the indicators and also with the data. Okay, so let's just say by aligning all these fours I am going with the trades. Okay, let's just say, because people do like creative things in their own way. All right, so I can say they are using all these four all together. Okay, all together, and they have developed an strategy. They have developed an strategy. And strategy. All right, so they have developed a strategy by combining all these four things. Okay, so here I want to show you, okay, under data, okay, there are different way to utilize the data. We have futures data, we have options data. Okay, now with the data, all right, with the chart pattern, with the candlestick pattern, with the indicators, how many strategies I can develop. Okay, so it depends on your analytical thinking. Okay, you can derive like 2, 3, 4 or 5 strategies. Okay, so if I'll go with the data, all right, so I want to show you even the data, there are numerous ways to express the datas. All right, so if I'll go to track, you can see here I have futures data. On the basis of future data, I know the built up. Okay, I will know the built up about the stocks over here. I will know about the future built up. Okay, I will know about the cycles in a particular stock. All right, similarly, if I'll go to the track, I will know about the intraday movers. Now the same future data, okay, same future data, here it will show on the time, on the basis of time, like in 2 minutes in which stock there is a future built up has increased, okay, or price also increased, in 3 minutes, in 5 minutes. So there are various ways. Okay, so I have to look for like time frame, I have to look for which data expression will work for me. Okay, because all these 4 to 5 data will not work you can say equally at any point of time. Okay, they will work differently. Okay, so that is an important point. All right, so I have to choose at least one. Okay, then I'll go with the chart pattern. All right, so if I'll go with the chart pattern, I'll go with the chart and over here. All right, so you can see I have drawn. Okay, yeah, this is bank nifty. All right, so here numerous chart patterns are there: M pattern, W pattern, flag pattern. All right, you can say cup pattern. There are different patterns. So am I going to utilize all of them at one particular time? No, I have to master one or two patterns, not every patterns. okay, because according to that only you will be I cannot say you will be perfect, but you will reach to the nearest perfection, okay. So you need to choose only one or two patterns that will work along with the data, okay. Now there are candlestick pattern, okay. First one is over. Now there are candlestick pattern, all right, candlestick pattern. So if I'll go with the chart, how many candlestick patterns are there, okay. So I'll just show you few. First one, morning stars, morning star and evening star, all right, morning star and evening star, I can write it down. You can see three crow, you can see engulfing. Fourth one, you can see piercing, okay, you can see piercing, and there are n number of candlestick patterns, all right. Now we'll go with the indicators. How many indicators are there? Many indicators are there, okay. Maybe like there are there are or other indicators who are developing right now, okay. So there are numerous indicators, all right, there are numerous indicators. So what I want to really show you over here is we cannot work on all the patterns, all the indicators and all the data at one particular point of time, okay. That will come under overthinking. So let's just say if I have developed a strategy, okay, let's just say I have developed a strategy, okay. My strategy is very simple, okay. Let's just say there is a resistance, okay, it is a resistance, okay. Now price is going up like this and it's returning back, okay. Now I want to take a trade over here, okay. What other things I will look at here, okay. I will look at only two things, not more than that. That is why this session is about don't do overthinking, just take the trade, just take the trade, okay. So what I'll do, I'll mark the resistance, okay. If the price is coming over here, you can see the resistance and it is coming down, okay. Now here I want to read the data. So if here the open interest, okay, and in the open interest, okay, let me show you here to track open interest, okay. We can see the bank nifty open interest over here, all right. Now from the resistance, let's say 50,000 is the resistance and the price is touching that particular level and coming down, okay. So what I really want to know in the open interest, whether the put writers, they are unwinding their position or not, okay. Second one, the call writers, they are adding up the position or not, because the call writers will act as a strong resistance, okay. So if they are adding up their position, that means that particular resistance is becoming strong, okay. And the put writers are unwinding their position, that means the support system, the support level is becoming weak and this price might come down, okay. That is the data, okay. So only one data I have read, okay, only one data, that is open interest, all right. Now when we go with the chart pattern, okay, I have marked the resistance, okay, it's finished, okay. If I'll go with the chart pattern, then I'll mark whether it is a flag pattern, M pattern or not, okay, according to that, okay. If that pattern is not showing up over here, I'll go with the candlestick pattern, okay. Only one of each, okay. You can see either I go with the chart pattern or either I can go with the candlestick pattern, because if I'll check every pattern, okay, whether the chart pattern is coming supporting or not, or candlestick pattern is supporting or not, I will get confused, okay. So at one particular time, if you do too much analysis, okay, sorry, too much analysis, then this trade, you might lose this trade, okay, that means miss out, okay, you will miss this trade, or due to FOMO, okay, due to FOMO, you will take the trade over here when there is a breakdown. Okay, so when we are doing overthinking, okay, when we are doing overthinking, all right, so we will face these kind of mishaps. Okay, we'll face this kind of mishaps because see, like if I'm reading too much data, I'm here reading option data also, future data also, and there are various ways to utilize the futures data. If I'm going along with that, I will miss the opportunity because it will be too much time consuming. Okay, so time consuming is more. Okay, so in that case I will lose the trade. Also there is a fear of missing out, FOMO, fear of missing out. So that means if the stock price is moving like this, I will take the trade over here. My stop loss will be huge. If it retraces back from here to here, most people will exit over here, means they are booking the losses. Most people, you know what they will think, okay, it is going up. Okay, even they don't believe in their system. You know why they don't believe in the system? Because they are doing too much analysis. Because here, if let's just say there is engulfing or piercing pattern, okay, any candlestick pattern appeared over here, they will think, okay, it has touched over here, okay, this is the uptrend mark, so they will exit the trade. Okay, most people will exit the trade over here. Okay, then if let's just say the stop loss is hit over here, okay, this one is a stop loss hit over here, they will make huge losses. Now the smart trader, okay, who didn't think like twice or thrice, okay, he just think, okay, the stock is coming under my system, according to the strategy I can go ahead with the trade. So what he will do, he'll just take the trade over here, okay, and he will book the profit over here 1:1, 1:2 or 1:1.5. Or might be if I have taken the trade over here, let's just say he at this point of time he is making some profit. So what he will do, he will trail the stop loss. He can just, you know, bring back this stop loss to this particular level. He will place the stop loss over here, cost to cost. So in that case, if the price move upwards again, there will be no losses. Okay, only some brokerage you have to pay, that is cost to cost. Okay, so here what I want to show you, okay, exactly here, stop overthinking. Okay, first, one indicator is enough. One indicator is enough. Okay, now one tool for data is enough. Okay, one pattern, is enough. Whether you are going for the chart pattern, candlestick pattern, one pattern is enough. Okay, we cannot go with every trade, we cannot go with every data. Okay, so here if I'm talking about, I'll go with the one tool. Okay, so let's just say for analyzing the data, I'll go with this tool. Okay, as for the trade setup, there are different ways. Okay, there I can use the two tools. Okay, let's just say if I want to go with the positional trading, so I'll go with the trap indicators, and this is the signal I will generate. Okay, so I know this is this system will generate the signal, okay, on the basis of data. All right, now what I have to do on the basis of data, I need to analyze the trend. So what I'll do, I'll go with the PCR tool. So I'll select analyze and go with the OI PCR historical, and I'll check whether the signal has been generated over here, whether it is a bullish or bearish. Okay, so I'll wait for the day. Okay, I'll wait for some times, and I will look whether the data is aligning my trade or not. Okay, if the signal is generated over there, there is a call at a trap, means the market might be bullish trend. So what I'll do, I'll come over here and I will check the PCR data whether there is a bullish trend or not. If it is giving me bullish trend, then I can go with the trade. If it is not giving you the trend, avoid that trade, okay? Avoid that trade. So stop forceful, okay? Overthinking also, and don't go with the, you can see FOMO, all right? FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't go with the forceful trade, okay? No, I want to take this trade. I need at least 1-2 trades. No, don't go along with that, okay? Don't do that thing. All right. So if under your system, if only one trade is coming, go with that one trade only. Go with that one trade only. Don't do over trading. Okay. If in a month, let's just say you got only 10 trades in a month for positional, okay, it's enough. Go with the positional trading. All right, don't go with the like 20 trades or 30 trades, okay? If you have like huge capitals, what people think, I have 10 lakh capital, I have 20 lakh capital, I can go ahead as much as trade as I want. No, it doesn't work like that way. All right, so what I have to think, I have to think strategically. I have to think how much ROI I want, okay? And according to that, I will think what is the strike ratio of my strategy, and then only I can take the trade, then only I can scale it up, okay? Let's just say my strike ratio is 70%, okay? So out of 20 days, 14 days I'll be profitable, but rest of the 6 days I'll be at losses. All right, so cover that losses, there I need some time to cover that losses, okay? So let's just say I am taking only 8 days profit, naked profit, and I want to check whether that 8-day profit, how much the ROI I have earned on the invested amount. If I am happy with that, okay, let's just say it is outperforming the market, then you are in well shape, okay, at very good place, because many people don't outperform the market, okay? So here, don't think about outperforming the market, but don't do the overthinking while taking the trade. Just go with the strategy, okay? Go with the strategy, whatever the strategy you are making, all right? And you can go ahead with the tools and you can do the trade. All right. Most important, I have talked about is the strategy, because people what they think, okay, I have numerous indicators, okay, let's check RSI, let's check MACD, let's check super trend. No, don't go in that way. Use only one indicator and optimize it. Do the settings, optimize it, okay? Then only you will be profitable, okay? So this session is about overthinking. So and how can I avoid overthinking? I have explained you in details, and in that way you can be profitable. All right. So the concept tool will help you out to analyze the data, to mark the strategy, also to mark the indicators. All right, and also you can do paper trading using the option architect to backtest your strategy, and through backtesting you will come to know whether your strike ratio of that particular strategy is 70% or not, okay? Then only you can scale it up. All right. So if you want to know about the concept tool, just call on the number mentioned above. This is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Thank you very much.